Presiding over the case is Acting Chief Justice Navendra Singh. The proceedings were delayed after the party's attorney Vivian Williams informed the court that he was unable to adequately prepare due to time constraints. Williams noted that an affidavit from Gecom was filed late Sunday, while he was en route from New York to Guyana, preventing him from reviewing the submission before the hearing. Despite the delay, Williams expressed confidence in the strength of the case, which centers on the exclusion of Forward Guyana from ballots in several regions ahead of the September 1 general elections.
Anyone who says that the application doesn't stand on solid ground, you should ask them where in the Constitution and where in the Representation of the People's Act it says that if a party does not contest a geographic constituency, it shall not appear in the ballot on the ballots of that region.
Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs Anil Nandlal has stressed the importance of upholding due process in the ongoing legal challenges brought by the Forward Guyana Movement against the Guyana Elections Commission, Gecom. Speaking on the sidelines of the High Court hearing, Nandlal noted that although the case seeks constitutional relief, he was not initially listed as a respondent. A procedural oversight, he said, given that the Attorney General must be named in all constitutional matters. To rectify the issue, Nandal applied to join the case. His request was accepted without objection from either Gecom or the applicant, acknowledging the significance of the matter to the public interest.
I don't think that the matter requires any evidence on the part of the Attorney General. I believe whatever evidence the case requires is there from Gecom, and I will rely on that. By and large, this case is a matter of pure law. It is what the Constitution lays down. It's what the ROPA lays down. And it all depends upon how we interpret what is there, having regard to our electoral system. So it's not a question of evidence. So you don't need affidavits.
Acting Chief Justice Navendra Singh has signaled that the ongoing court proceedings challenging the Guyana Elections Commission's ballot decision will be concluded by the end of this week, ahead of the national election slated for September 1. The matter will continue in the High Court on Tuesday, August 26. The Forward Guyana Movement FGM is seeking judicial intervention following its exclusion from the ballots in 3 electoral regions. The party argues that the move violates constitutional rights and electoral laws. The legal challenge also highlights the omission of another political group, the Assembly of Liberty and Prosperity, from the same ballots, an issue the applicant says raises broader concerns about fairness and transparency in the electoral process. Calvin Abrams, Guyana TV 9 News.